Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Studying English with Seema Saini. I'm Seema Saini. I hope you all are good. Today we will learn
narration, its parts, and then examples and exercises. So let's start.
First of all, here is need to understand what is narration. Let's understand. When a speaker expresses his feelings and thoughts in words and sentences, that is narration. So narration has two parts, direct speech and indirect speech. Let's understand what is direct speech and what is indirect speech. So speaker's actual or direct word is called direct speech. So speaker's words stated by other person, this is indirect speech. Speaker के words जब कोई दूसरा पर्सन बोलता है दैट इज इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच. सो लेट्स टेक एग्जांपल. He says Rohan is a good boy. This is in inverted comma. This is direct speech. Indirect speech, he says that Rohan is a good boy. This is without inverted comma. This is indirect speech. So direct speech is also two parts, reporting verb and reported speech. Let's understand what is reporting verb and what is reported speech. He says, this is reporting verb. Before comma, this part is reporting verb. Mohan is a good boy. This part is in inverted comma. This is reported speech. Some rules to change direct speech into indirect speech. Here are main three rules. First change. Said to will change into told. Say to change into tell. Says to tells. There will be no change if there will be say, says or said. Second change is pronoun change. So third change is tense change. Okay. We will change the tense of the reported speech. Some other changes, this will change into that, these will change into those, here, there, today, that day, tonight, that night, the next day, the following day, tomorrow, the next day, last night, the previous night, yesterday, the previous day, ago, before. These are the changes. So now let's understand how to change pronouns. So first person pronoun of reported speech will change अकॉर्डिंग द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. ओके, रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब के सब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज होगी अगर वहां पे फर्स्ट पर्सन प्रोनाउन होगा. सेकेंड पर्सन प्रोनाउन ऑफ रिपोर्टेड स्पीच विल चेंज अकॉर्डिंग द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब. अगर आपके सेकेंड पर्सन प्रोनाउन होगा दैट इज यू, योर. ओके, दैट विल चेंज अकॉर्डिंग द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच. स्पीच का जो ऑब्जेक्ट होगा उसके अकॉर्डिंग चेंज होगा. इफ देयर विल बी थर्ड पर्सन प्रोनाउन देयर विल बी नो चेंज. वी विल राइट एज इट इज. ओके. Example of pronoun change. Understand how to change pronoun. You said, I am doing my work. You said, then remove inverted comma. Then we will use conjunction that here. I is the first person pronoun that will change according the subject of reporting verb. Reporting verb is you said. So I will replace you. ठीक है, I first person है. So subject क्या है? You. So I को replace करेगा you. So am is a will change into was were. Okay, so you के साथ work का use होता है. Then we will write were doing your work. Ram said to me, you cannot do it. So Ram said to me. Said to will change into told. Okay, so Ram told me. Then use conjunction that. Okay, then you is the second person pronoun that will change according the object of reporting verb. So object of reporting verb is me. Me will change into I. Okay, then we will write it. Ram told me that I can will change into could. Okay, I could not do it. Now let's understand how to change verb. Verb change. Rule number 1. If a reporting verb is in present or future tense, there will be no change in the tense of reported speech. अगर reporting verb में present या future tense का use हुआ है तो reported speech में tense change नहीं होगा. Example. Aman says Amit is a good singer. So we will write it like that. Means अगर वहाँ पे say या will say का use होगा reporting verb में verb का change नहीं होगा. Like Aman says, remove the inverted comma. So Aman says this is present tense. Okay. So आगे verb का change नहीं होगा. Okay. So we will write that
Amit is a good singer.
pronoun change होगा but tense change नहीं होगा. Reena will say this is future tense. Okay. अगर आपका reporting verb फ्यूचर और प्रेजेंट में है तो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में टेंस का चेंज नहीं होगा. सो वी विल राइट एज इट इज.
Reena will say,
then remove inverted commas, then we will use here that. Okay, so I is the first person pronoun that will change according the subject of reporting verb. So reporting verb का subject क्या है यहाँ पे? Reena. So Reena is girl, so we will write pronoun she. she is not going. If reporting verb is in the past, okay, past tense, and there will be change of verb in the reported speech. अगर reporting verb past tense में है तो tense change होगा कहाँ पे, reported speech में. Let's understand how to change verb in the reported speech. Okay, so present simple change into past simple. In short, verb 1 will change into verb 2. Example, Anu said. Okay, remove inverted comma, then we will use that. Geeta is a third person, sings very well. So sings first person, we will change it into second verb. ठीक है, sings को second verb में change करना है. So we will write Anu said that Geeta sang very well. Next, present continuous will change into past continuous tense. In short, Isama will change into was verb. Rohan said she is telling a lie. So we will write Rohan said, then remove inverted commas, and we will write there that. She is the third person pronoun, then we will write she. Is MR will change into was verb. So she के साथ हमने was का use करना है. Telling a lie. Present perfect tense will change into past perfect tense. Means has have will change into had. Okay. Let's take an example. She said Simran has won the race. So let's change it. She said. This is past tense. Okay. अगर आपका रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब पास्ट टेंस में है तो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में क्या होगा, टेंस का चेंज होगा. तो शी सेड दैट सिमरन हैज विल चेंज इनटू हैड. ओके, सिमरन हैड वोन द रेस. इफ रिपोर्टेड स्पीच इज इन present perfect continuous tense, that will change into past perfect continuous tense. Means has been, have been will change into had been. Let's take an example. The teacher said, then remove comma, inverted comma. Okay, then we will use a conjunction that. Okay, the boy, this is third person. Okay, have will change into had. Okay, then we will write had been. Okay, playing for 2 hours. Past indefinite tense will change into past perfect. Means verb 2 will change into had plus verb 3. Let's take an example. You said this is past tense. Past tense में अगर reporting verb होगी तो जो reported speech है उसका tense change हो जाएगा. So we will write you said, then remove inverted commas, and we will use here that. Then Rakesh. Rakesh is the third person. We will write it as it is. Broke Mohan's slate. Broke second verb है. अगर वहाँ पे second verb है, then we will use had plus verb 3. So you said that Rakesh had broken. Broken is the third verb. Broken Mohan's slate. Past continuous tense change into past perfect continuous tense. In short, was verb will change into had been. Example, he said. He said this is past tense. If आपकी रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब किस में है, पास्ट टेंस में है, तो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच आपकी उसका टेंस चेंज हो जाएगा. सो वी विल राइट इट he said, then remove inverted comma and comma, we will write the that. Okay, the child, this is third person, then we will write the child as it is. Okay, then was will change into had been weeping. So if reported speech is an universal truth, habit, fact, historical truth or scientific, there will be no change in the verb of reported speech even if the reporting verb is in the past tense. अगर आपकी reported speech में universal truth, habit, fact, historical truth या scientific है तो टेंस का चेंज नहीं होगा, चाहे आपकी जो रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब है वो पास्ट में ही क्यों ना हो. Let's take an example. The teacher said, okay, then remove inverted comma. Then we will use here that. God is great. This is universal truth. अगर ये universal truth है तो यहाँ पे टेंस का चेंज नहीं होगा. तो we will write here as it is. God is great. He said, I take exercise daily. Okay. So he said, then remove inverted commas and we will use here that. Okay. So I take. I is the first person. Okay. So first person will change according the subject of reporting verb. So reporting verb का subject क्या है यहाँ पे? He. Okay. Then we will write he take exercise daily. The teacher said ear has weight. This is scientific. The teacher said. Then remove comma, inverted comma. Then we will use here that. Okay. And write as it is. Ear has weight. We will not change here tense. He said to me. So said to will change into told. He told me. Then remove inverted commas, then we will use here that. This is universal truth and write as it is. 2 and 2 make 4. If there are modal verbs, अगर modal verbs है, so shall be changed into should, will, would. May को might में change करना है, can को could में change करना है. Let's take example. Ram said, Raman can jump over the wall. Let's change. Ram said, remove inverted comma, then we will use here that. Raman is third person, then we will write as it is. Raman can will change into could. Okay, jump over the wall. Anil said, Amit will stand first. So we will change it like Anil said. Then remove inverted comma, then we will write that. Okay. Amit is third person, then we will write it as it is. Will change into would. Would stand first.
That's all for today. For more videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Keep watching. Till then, bye. Take care.